people who prepared for it today. A heartwarming morning to all of you. Praying without faith is like shooting without a bullet. It makes a noise but does no execution. A prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. So I invite Ahmed from class 10B for Surah Fatiha.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin.
Surah Fatima from class 10th for the translation of Surah Fatiha.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Praise be to Allah, the cherisher and sustainer of the world. Most gracious.
From class 10th for Labbayati ya Tarana. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Labbayati hai dua banke tamanna meri. Pride, and we have the honor to reaffirming our love and respect for it. So I request Rufeda Fatma from class 10th to lead us with the pledge.
Should right arm forward for national pledge. India is my country, and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
Call Arishanza for a thought.
My name is Arisha Ansar. I study in class 9A. Quotation of the day: all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunities to develop our talent. Quoted by APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good to see you that today you are fine in this beautiful morning. I see the variety coming on the stage, the way the student presenting themselves, the courage, the way of interacting with you. That's really admirable. That's really praiseworthy. And I think gradually you all will get chance to come over here to show your talents, to inculcate your hidden potential, to improve your quality of speaking. As I see, the students are coming here speaking boldly, speaking with correct pronunciation, are really very admirable. Thank you. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.